Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Western Digital WD BLUE SN550 NVMe solid state drive. This is a very basic solid state drive from Western Digital, but this is the BLUE series, one of the more powerful series. It supports up to 2400 of write speed, that's 2400 megabytes per second. There's a capacity of 500 GB and it also supports 3D NAND technology. It comes with 5 years of warranty. And there's an image of the NVMe SSD right over here, and there's also a window through which you can see, but that's more or less all the information on the box. Let me just open this and show you what's inside. So there you go, these are the components of the box. And let me just take this out very slowly, and yeah, we have a technical support and limited warranty guide from WD. This is a sealed document. I'm not going to open this, but everything that you want to know about this NVMe, how to install, how to set up, etc. is all listed over here. And this is of course the WD BLUE SN550 NVMe solid state drive. Notice that this is a very small and very thin solid state drive. That's the beauty of an NVMe SSD drive. It can fit inside on your motherboard, provided your motherboard supports this particular port over here. And this is what you'll find inside this box. So that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Western Digital WD BLUE SN550 NVMe SSD with 500 GBs of memory. Thank you for watching.